So I have a very cool, very interesting mic from ZHIYUN. ZHIYUN sent me this light about 2 weeks ago, and I'm like, yo, I've tested it. You get me? It's very small, as you can see, very portable. It's really cool. So this is the ZHIYUN Fiveray M20, and this light is so unique in its own way, I must say. So this is the light right here. As you can see, it comes with a built-in fan, right? This is the front part of the light. Let me show you like the two additional accessories that comes with it that makes it, you know, top notch. So we have the case. We have a 4-leaf barn door. So let me show you what this looks like. This is the 1, 2, oh no, wrong way. Bam. Yeah, so this is a very cool barn door. Yo, detachable. This is very cool. And basically, this light is really, how should I say? It's very effective. And let me show you what else outside of those things. This is also detachable because, you know, you can mount it on top of your camera like this. All right, mount it here, mounting point, mounting point, mounting point, and yo, it's really cool. All right, so let me fit it up. Diffusion, and this is what the light looks like, right? So this is it. So this is what the light looks like, and yo, this is really neat. So you have the power button, which is right here, and then on this side you have the intensity button, which you can use it to change the brightness, you know, turn it up, turn it down, and you can also use it to select stuff, right? And you have quite a few modes in this. So currently I am on HSL mode, or HSI. I'm not sure if it's saying HSL. I think it's HSI, yeah. And then you have another mode. Then you have RGB mode, you know, FX mode. Then you have music mode. So music mode is like this. So as you can see, each time I talk, the light just flickers on and off. So let me give you a beat. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this is really cool. Yeah, really cool. So one of the key things that I like about this, that if you look right here, you can see that it actually comes with a fan, a built-in fan, which is really cool, you know. So the temperature management is not that bad. So this is a 20, yeah, so this is a 20-watt light, and yo, it's really neat. I actually like the fact that I have different options, you know, when it comes down to lighting, the Kelvin options, because it starts from 2500 to 10,000 Kelvin. So yo, you actually can factor in what you want as relates to like color, temperature, right? But one of the downside that I like and I don't like is the fact that these things are, even though it's magnetic, it can fall off easy. Oh, this light is bright. Even though this is magnetic, it can actually fall off pretty easy, you know. Yeah, outside of these stuff falling off pretty easy, I'm pretty cool with the options that I get. You get me? So if I want more light, and then remove this, if I want more, and then remove this, oops, if I want more. So yeah, so right now I'm at 47%. Let me bring it up to 100. So this is 100% without the additional stuff. So let me 100%. Right, so let me add one more. So 100%. And then if I want to like soften the light a little bit more, so I can yeah, my record. Oh, come there. Give me a minute. So if I so just dry it up, man. So if I want the light to be diffused a little bit more, I can just add it right there. So it's actually like a fill light. But let me like turn off all the lights that I use in this room right now. Well, my key light and my light that's above my head, and then you guys can tell me what it looks like. All right, so let me take off this ND filter. All right, so the ND filter is off, and this is what the light looks like at 100% brightness. You get me? It's still a bit harsh, to be honest, but I can actually turn on the intensity a little bit more. You can turn on the intensity, and one of the good things about it, instead of turning a knob, you can actually just press the intensity, because it's like a button. Press it, that's 100, off, one press, and that's 50. Right? So yeah, so this is what it looks like. This, as you notice, it's not really that bright overall, but you can use this light as a fill light. You get me? You can use this light as a fill light. So let me change the color. Yeah, so this is it, using as a fill light for like if I want like a different color, like a key light, or well, not like, well, if I want like a rim light, you know, like on here and stuff like that. So let me change it again. This is the RGB vibe. Yeah, and this is the effects light option. It's very cool. Yeah, so just know that this light comes with like 16 different effects, so you can determine which one is suitable for you. But let me turn on back my main lights. All right, so I'm back. So this is, as I said, this is what the light is really about. But I really hate the fact that, yo, these things just easily fall off. I wish there was a way to like clamp it on, even though it's magnetic. Wish there was another option to like clamp on these type of, you know. I wish there was a way to just clamp on these type of stuff. But yeah, it is what it is. This is what it's like, right? This is what it's like. So this light can actually last for like 40 minutes. See, just easily comes off so easily. So this light can actually last for 40 minutes on full power. And 40 minutes is a good time frame depending on what you're using it for. But I said I wouldn't really use this as a key light. I actually like the option of using it as a fill light. You get me? To like just fill a little space, create a scene, create a mood based on how big the space is, right? Because, you know, based on the fact that the light is small, it's not really going to like fill an entire room. Think about that. Also, one of the key things as well, you can actually use it while it's plugged in, you know, via USB-C. So like using it while it's plugged in, you get a longer lasting way of using it. And yep, so guys, I think that's it for me right now. I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know when, I don't know where, and I think I'm going to, you know, give you like a real world experience with this light and give you my final thoughts about it. So that's it. I'm out. Peace.